In today's video, we're answering the question, what are the ElevenLabs AI pricing plans and how can you quickly check the plan features and prices inside your account? If you're thinking about upgrading, comparing options, or just want to see what's included before you subscribe, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find everything. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the ElevenLabs website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or account icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where ElevenLabs keeps your account preferences, profile options, and subscription details all in one place. Once the settings page opens, look for the subscriptions option. Click on subscriptions and this will take you directly to the section where ElevenLabs shows all of the available pricing plans. On this page, you can review the different plan features side by side, along with the current prices for each subscription tier. This is the best place to compare what's included in the free plan, as well as what you get when you move up to a paid plan. Take your time here and check the details carefully. You can look at things like usage limits, access to premium features, and other plan benefits so you can decide which option fits your needs best. If you're a creator, business user, or someone experimenting with voice generation, this page will help you make a much more informed choice. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find the ElevenLabs AI pricing plans inside your account. It only takes a few clicks to get to the subscription page and compare all the plan features and prices for yourself. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.